everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a super cute little bunny hair clip using a shaker bow and some little embroidery items and a Tulle Pompom. Just going to cut that little extra off, and we've got some white 9mm ribbon. I'm going to heat seal this end and we're going to cover our clip. First we want a touch of glue here, just a little bit, pop that over there, and then we want some glue in the middle. Either side, and I'm just going to use the clip to pop in the middle and use the prongs on either side to hold that in place while that dries. And then I need to bring that across. Now I'm going to use super glue instead of glue gun glue, so we don't have any ridges or like lumps underneath. You don't need a lot, just a tiny drop to spread that across. Okay, cut a little bit over so we've got enough to go over the end. Okay, heat seal that, flip it over, and then glue just here. Open your clip up, flip that over, and there you go. Now the first thing we are going to do is work out where we want our ears positioned. We want them sort of so that just behind each ear. And I am going to put just a teeny touch of this super glue where I want those ears to go. So I want those there and there, so they sit like this. Okay, so they're attached now, and then we want that over the centre of the clip there. So we're going to put some more super glue over the top so we've got something for the shaker and the felt ears to grip to. And what I'm going to do in this instance, to give it extra for the ears and the bunny to go through, I'm just going to wrap a little bit around the middle. Just going to put a little bit of white ribbon there. So let's heat seal this end. Okay, I'm going to put a touch of glue here. Open up the clip, pop that in the middle, and then just around the middle of the ears, open it back up, round again, cut that little bit of extra off there, heat seal again, and then just move the ears out of the way so we don't glue anything. A little bit more glue there, open that back up and stick that down. That's what it looks like at the moment. And then with our little Tulle Pompom, we want a bit of glue on here, put that right in the middle. And then you've got a super cute bunny shaker bow.